Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Destin, you've probably wondered, is it a buyer's market or a seller's market right now? I'm diving into the latest trends to figure out what's really going on in this beautiful beach town. Let's get started. So first things first, what do we mean by a buyer's market or a seller's market? A buyer's market happens when there are more homes for sale than people looking to buy. That means prices tend to drop and buyers have more negotiating power. And on the flip side, a seller's market is when demand outpaces supply. Fewer homes, more buyers, and prices usually climb. So where does Destin stand today? Let's take a look at the numbers. As of early 2025, the median home price in Destin was around $575,000. That's down 13.9% from last year when it was closer to $667,000. That's a pretty big drop. Homes are also sitting on the market longer, about 76 days on average compared to 124 days a year ago. Now, that might sound like they're selling faster, but here's the kicker. Inventory is up. There were 557 homes for sale in January of 25 compared to 518 the year before. More homes, lower prices, and longer days on the market. That's starting to sound like a buyer's market to me. But wait, there's more to the story. Destin's condo market has taken a slight hit. Fewer people are snapping up those beachfront condos, which could be tied to rising insurance costs, something we've seen affecting Florida coastal towns for a while now. High insurance premiums might be scaring off buyers, especially for vacation rentals or investment properties. So let's break it down. With home prices dropping 16% since last year and more properties piling up, buyers have options and leverage. Sellers, on the other hand, might need to lower their expectations or sweeten the deal to stand out. But here's something interesting. Only 42 homes sold in January of 25, up slightly from 38 the year before. That's not a lot of action, which tells us the market's cooling off overall. Buyers aren't rushing in, but they're definitely in the driver's seat. Now is the best time to buy or sell in Destin. If you're a buyer, I'd say yes, prices are down and you've got room to negotiate. The best month to buy historically is November, when homes sell for about 92% of the list price. Sellers, though, you might want to wait. April tends to be the sweet spot, with homes fetching 95% of asking price and selling in just 66 days. Timing matters in a market like this. Here's my take. Destin, Florida is a buyer's market right now in 2025. The data backs it up. More supply, lower prices, and less competition among buyers. But markets shift, so keep an eye on local trends like insurance costs and tourism, which drives so much of the Destin's economy. What do you think? Are you looking to buy or sell in Destin? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, folks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Whether you're dreaming of a Destin beach house or just curious about real estate, we've got you covered. See you in the next one.